Looks like a pompano. Get ready to catch for some roosters! Woo! Captain Anstey's like, what do you want to catch today? Said rooster fish. Oh, there, I got one. Look at that, Tim. Look at that, buddy. Eat that, pal.
So.
Wow. So is he waiting to do that?
Yeah. Well, not your hook.
There you go. Circle hook right in
my first pelican.
Right in the corner. Right in the corner of the mouth too. Nice. All right. We're eating, Tim. We're eating, buddy.
You ever see the video of the cat? He put something to its mouth that was like broccoli, and the cat goes, bring it close to the cat's mouth. The cat sniffs like it goes. Those cat videos are hilarious.
Those f***ing cats are hilarious. There you go. Nah.
I was like, what the f was that? Came out of nowhere a little bit.
Our trip, all right, here we are. Out on the good day. There's Tim. This is Ben, he's the owner of the boat.
Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning. Welcome to Costa Rica.
And then up here, Captain Emmanuel. Wow. Hold on, Tim. That is wild, Ben. These are spinner dolphins, right? Well, some of them are pretty big. Whoa. What the? Did you see that, Tim? That was freaking awesome. Whoa. What?
So right now, guys, we're just going to set the flat line. I got a right teaser and a left teaser, and I'm going to put the flat line about 10 feet away. You can see it skipping now. This goes in the rod hole that we got. What we're going to do, we got these quick release clips. We're going to twist it off half a dozen times, pop it in a release clip right there. What we're going to do now is set the long lines. This is the right long. So I go right down the middle of the spread, making sure not to catch anything because I'm going to have 7 lines in the water at the minute.
Alright.
I go right down the middle, then I pass it over the top. Watch. Put up with this out again. Flip it up. Anywhere maybe 150 feet back, something like that. It's pretty far back this one on the right.
Wow. 10?
Right, you're up first.
Where are we at?
Watch out, watch out. Right, watch out. Stay back.
I saw it.
He's like, I gotta get here and there. I'm like, just keep watching.
Alright.
Don't cross me on that pole. Stay back.
What was it?
I think it's a marlin.
Marlin.
Let me get access to all these rods.
Yep. Swing and a miss?
Miss.
Holy sh!
Yeah.
Holy sh!
Real. Okay, you're good. Stop reeling.
You want to
20 minutes later.
Here he comes, go and jump. We got leader. Tim up, Tim up. Okay. Wow.
Be ready now in case we take some. Yeah.
You ready, Tim? Real. Got deep color. Yeah, we are eating, baby. We are. There we go.
Good job, boys.
Yes.
Get overexcited.
Nice, Tim, huh?
Yeah, man.
That looks pretty big to me. We're eating, baby. We are eating. Fresh mahi.
Okay, we gotta wait.
That bird
Stop, Brian, watch out. You're in his blood. That's all. Alright, we're good here. What? The bird? Watch out, he needs to run this way. Right, like that. Good boy. Just over me for a second. Just over me. Okay guys, so what we got going on over here, we got two commercial fishing boats. You can see them right out the back here. And what these guys do, they put structures in the water, it's called a fad, so to attract fish, and there's this thing floating. Now our friends over here radioed us and said they seen a floating structure in the water, which the commercial fishermen have thrown in, and that attracts a ton of bait fish like small yellowfin tuna, bonitos, blue runner, like triggerfish, baby sharks. And when that thing's been in the water for a week or two, sometimes they get full of marlin. So right now our friends have not caught any marlin. One of them just caught a mahi-mahi, but literally as soon as we pulled into this area we hook up on a marlin. So awesome stuff, eh?
Yep. Communication. How we doing, Tim?
Oh, he's holding tight right now.
He's pulling hard.
Right.
Hold down, gloves on.
Give me the tag, brother.
Tag, I'll get it. Got the tag, got the pole, got everything.
Same thing, yeah. Slight angle. Yeah, down, yeah. Oh, beautiful tag. Beautiful. Don't go on your knees, right? Crouch like, do like I am. Yep, so over on my knee. Right? Okay. Look at that fish, brother. Look at this fish. Look at him.
Wow.
See the difference?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna give you a great picture now, yeah?
There you
You
go.
want me to hold it? Yeah. Chop now, you heard? Lean down low. That's right. Down. Head comes down. He's got to go down. Don't hang your wrists. If you swim him back and forward when he's upright, it won't shake. There you go.
Back and forth then.
Out and in. Lift big stroke off your tail. Go on, brother. Let him go. Let him go. Now.
Blue marlin, dude. That is a fish of a lifetime, Tim. Woo! Great job, Cappy. Good job, Capitan! Do a little bit of tail hump. We have color. There's the leader.
Got some color down in the water, a little bonito. And a little bonito.
That's what the marlin are eating, right? Filming?
Yep.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the f?
Oh, you just kissed him and the camera just went dead.
Change that.
Perfect.